Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the full process on how you can source products on Zendrop. Essentially, we're going to be using Zendrop's application to outsource the supply chain activities to external specialists. And through this process, digital storefront owners like yourself will gain immense capacity for sustainably expanding the accessible product variety faster through digital marketing while eliminating the warehousing burdens. So without much further ado, let's jump right in. And the very first step to getting started is that we want to head over to shopify.com and then sign up for a free account. When you click start free trial and then make an account, you will have a 3-day free trial so that you can test Shopify and play around with the settings. However, that is not long enough for you to set up a whole Shopify store and actually make sales, collect payments and all of that. So obviously we're going to have to get one of those Shopify memberships that it offers. And at the moment, the best offer that you can get is that you can have your first 3 months for only $1 each month. It is a temporary offer. If you want to grab it, go ahead and click the link in our description box down below and make use of the offer before it's too late. And so before we get into the installation process, I want to highlight some of the key reasons online retailers should strongly consider Zendrop over other dropship suppliers. So if you didn't know already, it offers very fast processing and shipping. The average transit times range 5 to 8 days worldwide using Zendrop compared to 3 to 4 weeks you will typically see from AliExpress. And this of course leads to far higher customer satisfaction and retention. There is also the automatic order fulfillment, as Zendrop's auto fulfillment feature handles payment processing and tracking information across all the orders for you once enabled. This saves you tons of manual overhead as your sales grow. Additionally, we have the custom branding, as you can add custom thank you cards, packaging tape and other branding elements so that your orders reinforce your business. This level of customization is unmatched. And finally, the marketing training included. Their Zendrop Academy contains courses on winning products, ad creation, branding and so much more. So for the new store owners, this extra guidance is invaluable. So now that we're ready to give them a try, you can register for a free Zendrop account by clicking the link below. Just enter your basic contact information to get started. And then right after creating your account, you'll be guided through setting up a free trial for 30 days of their Zendrop Plus plan, unlocking extra functionality like these ones right here. So choose to continue the Plus plan or downgrade after. It's totally flexible. So once your account is created, let's move on to connecting Zendrop with our Shopify store. So once we've done that, a pop-up will automatically prompt you to connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. Simply enter your existing store's domain name and click connect. And this will initiate the authorization integration sequence, linking Zendrop to start pulling order data and pushing information back to Shopify when the fulfillments are processed. And just like that, our Zendrop account is now successfully paired to our Shopify store. The next step will be to start scouting for hot products so that we can sell. So from Zendrop's main interface, the quickest way to start searching for promising products in categories that interest you is by using the search bar. So we can try searching for yoga mat as an example. And as you can see, Zendrop returns products ready to dropship from a few different wholesale suppliers, and you generally want to stick to Zendrop shipping for fastest fulfillment times. Make sure to scroll down and understand the complete landed costs for each product using the included shipping rates in your calculations when pricing items for sale. And for broader category browsing instead of direct search, you can filter products by ship from origin, product type, supplier, price range and more. This lets you freely dig for untapped gems without preconceived notions in mind. You are sure to unlock all types of creative product ideas and inspiration using Zendrop's browsing flexibility to tap into their constantly growing global supplier network. It is very amazing for sparking a new store concept. So once you've discovered an appealing item for your store carrying profit potential once marked up, adding it to your import list is as simple as clicking the Add to Import List button. And after you've queued up the selections in your import list, click into each for reviewing product information like descriptions, images, variants, and of course the cost breakdowns. And here you can adjust the product title that you will use on your store site, dial in selling price and compare to landed costs to validate the margin upside prior to importing. Get this product ROI assessment done up front. And when it all looks good, click the Publish to My Store button to push the product listing over to your Shopify catalog. Rinse and repeat the sequence until you have your Shopify shelves fully stacked. After that, as customer orders start rolling in for your newly listing offerings, fulfilling the sales is easy within the Zendrop interface. You will want to navigate to the orders section showing purchases transmitted automatically from your connected Shopify store. So click to select the orders that you're ready to process and then click to pay. Zendrop will handle the rest. For high volume stores, I definitely recommend upgrading to enable Zendrop's auto fulfillment option, eliminating this last manual step. You just set it up and forget it. Upgraded accounts also unlock tracking of fulfillment status and shipping progress for each order. Monitoring for any hiccups is made easy and ensures no customer inquiry goes unanswered. You will save a lot of time using it. And finally, you can leverage the custom branding capabilities to take your customer unboxing experience to the next level. Using their branding toolset, you can upload high-resolution product logos, custom thank you notes to include in each order, unique packaging tape with logo or any other design element that you want printed for the wow effect. So take the extra 5 minutes to design slick thank you notes highlighting discount, your company mission, VIP contact access, and bridging to your other social channels. It's really amazing how unboxing personalization drives loyal return customers at nearly no added cost from vendors like Zendrop. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think of Zendrop in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, then definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to Shopify or dropshipping.